In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the PMT function in Google Sheets. If you've ever wondered how to quickly calculate a loan's monthly payment, the PMT function does the heavy lifting for you. It takes your annual interest rate, the total number of payments, and your loan amount, and returns the payment you'd make each period, in our case, each month. Start by opening Google Sheets and preparing a simple layout so everything is clear and easy to reference. In cell A1, type interest rate, annual. In cell B1, type number of payments, and in cell C1, type loan amount. These headers will keep your inputs organized and make the formula easier to understand later. Next, enter your actual values. In A2, put your annual interest rate, for example, 9%. You can type it as a percentage or as a decimal like 0.09. Both work in Sheets. In B2, enter the total number of payments. If your loan is 3 years with monthly payments, that would be 36. In C2, enter the loan principal, for example, 300,000. Think of this as the amount you're borrowing before interest. Now you're ready to apply the PMT formula. Add a label for the result by typing monthly payment in D1. Then click D2 and enter the formula exactly like this. X PMT A2 12 B2 C2. We divide A2 by 12 because A2 contains an annual rate and PMT expects the rate per period. Here each period is 1 month. The second argument, B2, is the number of monthly payments in total. The third argument, C2, is the present value of the loan, the amount you owe right now. Press enter to calculate the payment. Google Sheets will return the monthly payment amount. You may notice the result is negative. That's intentional because PMT represents a cash outflow, money you pay out each month. Conceptually, that tells you how much leaves your account to service the loan on a monthly schedule. Behind the scenes, we're using the default settings for the remaining PMT arguments. Future value is assumed to be 0, meaning the loan balance ends at 0, and payments are assumed at the end of each period, which is how most installment loans work. At this point, you've got a clean, dynamic setup. If you change the interest rate, the number of payments, or the loan amount, the monthly payment updates instantly. This makes it easy to try scenarios and understand how rate and term affect affordability, all without any manual math.